Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create the famous text-to-speech audio on CapCut. So it is the one that people use a lot on TikTok, but I'm just going to show you which one is the voice of the text-to-speech thing, and you are just basically going to select text here, add text, and type in anything you want. First is like hello and welcome back to this channel. Today blah blah blah, something like that. Press the check mark button and you're going to select text to speech, and you're going to select the Jesse one, and you can also select apply to all if you have a lot of text. So select Jesse and press the check mark button, and this is what it should sound like. This is what the famous text-to-speech sounds like.
Hello and welcome back to this channel.
And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!